baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop. Got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Mary Maxine, the girl with the kinks and the curls. Today I am back with another video. Today I am going to be reviewing two products from TGIN. So during the holidays I picked up the TGIN Curl Defining Cream. Or it's the curl, is it the curl? Oh, okay, I said that completely wrong. So it's the Twist and Define Cream as well as the Curl Bomb Moisturizing Gel. Before I jump into this video, if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up, comments in the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel to be updated whenever I post a new video. Okay, so with that being said, I picked up these two products because they were on sale, which was a steal to me because TGIN is kind of pricey, you know, and it kind of hurt my heart buying it, but I really wanted to review these products for you guys. So I toughened up and I was like, you know what, I'll buy it, especially because it was on sale. I think there was like a 20% off sale, or maybe it was, I don't even remember what it was, but I bought it on sale regardless. And yeah, so the first thing that I did was I applied the Twist and Define Cream on my hair inside the shower. So I did that as a leave-in, so that's what you guys see on my hair right now. Okay, so this is my hair like freshly washed. I took out the mask that I had in my hair, and this is what my curls are looking like. So right now I'm gonna go in with the TGIN Twist and Detangle Cream. I'm gonna go in on this section and I will show you guys what my hair is looking like, and I'm going to be using that as a leave-in conditioner today because why not? Okay, so this is what my curls are looking like with just the Twist and Define Cream. As you guys can see, my hair is nice and juicy, nice and defined. And honestly, I feel like I could do a one product wash and go with this, but since I bought the gel, I'm still gonna use the gel to do my hair. But this is what my first section is looking like, and yeah. So I'm gonna take out my first clip right here, and then I'm gonna show you guys what my hair is looking like. Stuck, okay. I'm gonna give you guys a close-up. This is what my hair is looking like with this, the Twist and Define Cream, and it's very defined as well as very moisturized, which I really like. So I applied this inside the shower because I wanted to see what it would do for my hair. I was trying to use it as leave-in, and honestly guys, I feel like I could use this for a one product wash and go. I don't know, who knows, we'll see what the future has in store for, you know, your girl. But as of right now, I'm loving how my curls clump together and whatnot. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to apply the gel since I already applied the leave-in, because it's not really leave-in, but you know, shh, don't tell anybody. So I'm gonna apply the gel so I can show you guys what it looks like, you know, how my hair looks and whatnot. So yeah, let's just get into it. So what I'm gonna do actually is just clamp this section like so because the hair is in my way. So now what I'm going to do is section my hair off. I'm gonna section it probably in 3/4, yeah, maybe that's a half, I don't know. So I'm gonna clamp that section away, and I'm going to work with this section already. So what I'm going to do is take my handy dandy spray bottle, you know, and I'm going to just re-wet this section, just so that when I apply the gel, it's a nice and smooth application. I'm gonna make sure that moisture is nice on my hair. That's what my curls are looking like. I'm loving it. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the Curl Bomb Moisturizing Styling Gel, and we're gonna see what it do on my hair. So this gel is pretty thick. It's actually thicker than I thought it was going to be, as you guys can see. Hope it's focused. Yeah, it's pretty thick. I don't know. Wow, okay. So I'm going to rub it together and I'm going to glide it on top. Ooh, that feels good. Okay, rake it through. Ooh, yes. Oh, I like how that feels, guys. Oh, that feels so good. Ah! Okay, so I'm just raking it through my hair and
you know what? That felt good.
What? Do you? Listen, okay, guys. This looks good. It looks good with a T, okay? This looks amazing. What? I I'm shook, okay? Now I see why people rave about TGIN, because look at this. Look. Damn. Ooh, child. This wash and go is about to be everything. Like, I'm gonna clamp that away. I'm gonna spray my hair. Mind you guys, this whole the gel and the cream smell really good. Like, they smell, I don't know if it's like a pear scent or I don't know, guys. I don't know what the scent is, but it smells amazing and it feels amazing. It's literally like, do you hear that? Wow. Wow, wow, wow. It smells really good. I don't know what this smell is, but it smells really good. It feels amazing on my hair. It's nice and moisturizing. I feel like this wash and go is going to be litty, hopefully, like fingers crossed, because this definition is everything. My hair smells amazing, and yeah, wow. Okay, that section. And I'm barely using any gel. I feel like I can really get my money's worth from these two products, because I use the cream inside the shower and I barely use any. Like, I use like this much because it's so thick, and I have low porosity hair, so my hair doesn't need like too much like thick products. So it was easy for me to like use less product, if that makes sense. I don't know. I really feel like I could get like a good like maybe 6 wash and goes out of these two things together, because moisturizing as hell, number one, and a little bit honestly goes a long way. So we will see, you know, what it was going on, you know. Maybe it's time for me to say thank God it's natural, because ooh, child. Okay, so I'm gonna clamp this section away. I started doing this, like clamping my sections away like this, because I feel like it helps elongate my curls. And I don't know, like it helps me when I'm doing my wash and goes. So now I'm going to take this section. I'm going to do the same thing I did to this. I'm going to clamp it away like so. And I'm going to go in with this section right here. Wow. First of all, I really feel like I could do a one product wash and go with just the cream, because my hair feels really nice. It's very defined. I don't know, maybe I'll do it. If you guys want me to do a one product wash and go with the cream, let me know in the comments and I will make it happen, because this is just, yes. I've seen so many YouTubers do reviews on TGIN, and I've been wanting to try it, guys. I keep saying that I've been wanting to try it, but it's just the bread, honestly. I just didn't want to spend it, you know. Like, I'm low-key like a cheap natural. I don't know if that's good or not. I feel like when it comes to being natural, you know, you pick and choose what you want to do. Sometimes I'll spend like my coins on products because I know it's like beneficial for my hair. Other times, you know, your girl gotta eat. I'm a college student, so you know, my money goes to food and stuff. But yeah. I've never seen my curls this like juicy before. And this smells so good. What is, okay, so the Curl Bomb has nettle leaf, olive oil, avec fuelless dorite, and huile de, is this in, first of all, I think this is in like another language. No, look, yeah, this is another language. So it has nettle leaf and olive oil. I don't know why I read what was underneath, because I'm dumb. Like, it literally says what I said, and then it says it in another language. I don't know what language this is. It doesn't look like Spanish. Is this French? Oh, I like the backstory. So in the back it says, when Harvard Law graduate and breast cancer survivor Chris Tia Donaldson was unable to find products for her textured hair, she invented them, and thank God It's Natural was born. Today, TGIN leverages its brand success in the beauty space to educate women about the importance of breast health and the benefits of early detection. Wow, I did not know this about TGIN, and I'm really liking this. Okay, so I'm gonna finish my hair. I'm gonna do this section and then this section right here. First of all, this is just with the defining cream. Do you guys like? Okay, I'm gonna take about this much I'm gonna clamp this away. I'm gonna spray my hair. You know how I do, I clamped my 3 sections up, and now I'm gonna work on my last section right here. I'm gonna split this. I'm gonna work on the hardest section first because just get it out the way. Okay, so I am done with my hair, so I'm gonna take off my clamps or hair clips, whatever you want to call them. Okay, I'm gonna just lightly shake my hair just to make sure that everything is nice and clumped together. Wow, never seen my hair look like this before. Okay, so I'm going to let my hair air dry, and I may diffuse it later on today. So I'm gonna air dry for probably like an hour, and then I'm going to go in and diffuse my hair, and I'm going to show you guys by the end of the night what my hair is looking like. But so far so good, and I barely used any product, guys. Like, look how full this bottle is. Do you, like, what? Do you, barely even use any. So this is gonna last me a long time. Same thing with this twist cream. I use like a good amount, but not really, because I feel like I could get like a good like 4 uses out of this. Like, this is insane. Like, this twist and define cream is it. I like how it smells. I like how it feels on my hair. It's very moisturizing and defining as well. I honestly, guys, like, I really feel like I could do a 1 product wash and go with that cream. Like, I look, feel like I might have to do it just to show you guys, like, one time for the one time what it do. So yeah, I'm gonna air dry my hair, and then I'm going to diffuse my hair, and later on in the night I am going to show you guys what my hair is looking like. And if I don't come back on camera today, best believe that I will be back on camera tomorrow to show you guys what my day 2 hair is looking like. So yeah, I will see you guys when I see you guys. Okay, so today is the next day after I styled my hair, and this is what my hair is looking like. I'm gonna give you guys a close-up, of course, so you guys can see this juiciness. Like I said, I knew my wash and go was gonna come out really good, and it did not disappoint. So I'm gonna give you guys a close-up so you guys can see what these kinks and curls and coils are looking like. Look at that. Look at it. Do you guys see this definition? Like, what? Wow. It looks really good. There's a little bit of residue right here, and I think it's because I used a little bit too much product. I think it was the defining cream. I used a little too much of it, so it left a little residue right here, but it's not that noticeable, so I'm cool with it. And yeah, guys, like, I'm really shook because I barely used any product. Like, the gel is still at the top. I barely used any gel. You guys see I have a lot of hair. My hair is very thick. And for the twist and define cream, I barely used any of it as well. I think, like I said yesterday, I could probably get like 3 or 4 uses out of it before like having to repurchase it, which I'm going to do because these 2 things are lovely. And I'm honestly thinking about doing a twist out or a braid out or just a wash and go with just the twist defining cream by itself, because my hair feels very moisturized. This thing smells amazing as well. So I think I want to do just a 1 product, whatever. I don't know, let me know in the comments if you want me to do a 1 product wash and go, a 1 product twist out, or a 1 product braid out, and I'll definitely make sure I film that video for you. But yeah, guys, I'm loving my results. I love how everything smells. I love how defined my hair looks, and I'm not disappointed that I tried TGIN. I've been wanting to try TGIN products, but I just feel like because of the price point, I was kind of skeptical, because I was like, I'm about to spend about $15 on products, and what if it doesn't work for me? Then what? That's a whole $15 that I could use for something else that I know that works for me. I don't know, I was very skeptical. I've seen reviews here and there which kind of really pushed me to try these products, but I'm really not disappointed. I'm very excited that my hair came out the way I wanted it to. And yeah, guys, if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up and comment in my comment section. Do not forget to subscribe to all of this so you can see all of this on Wednesdays. Until next time, guys, peace and love always.
For a ride, I take you around my life, jaywalking, crosswalking, flip blocking with you.